How to reply to a specific message on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the ways on how you can actually reply to a specific message on Instagram. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app first. Once you've updated the Instagram app, I'm going to open it and we're going to basically go to our DMs page or our chat screen. Now over here, if we wanted to actually reply to a message, we would simply go ahead and simply enter any of the text on this particular page to send this message to that person. But assuming that you want to reply to a specific message because you missed to reply to that particular text, in that case you can simply long press on a particular text and you enable these options such as reply. So if I go ahead and also show you for other text messages, if I long press on the text, and you'll see this option which is reply. If I tap on it, you'll be able to reply to that specific message just like that, as you can see right over here. However, let's say that you're also not being able to find that option. Well, in that case, there is also another thing you can do. That is that from that particular text, you can simply swipe towards the right hand side. So press and hold and then swipe towards the right hand side, and then you can see it says replying to that particular message right over here. And basically this is it. This is how you can very easily actually reply to a specific message on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.